wrote the Bible. I was not there when the Bible was being written, but I have found it is written. It is not right. And David said, what have I done now? Is there no cause? And friends, this is the question I have. Is there no cause? Is there no cause? I want you to help me and ask someone who is seated next to you, is there no cause? Please do it. Ask, is there no cause? Ask loudly, is there no cause? In other words, we are not just running on the streets because we want to run on the streets. We have a cause why we are running. We have a cause why we are running. And the cause is not power. The cause is we are fighting for our children. We are fighting for our generation. We are fighting for the hungry. We are fighting for the homeless. And that is the cause why we are fighting. Is there no cause? Some of the men who are out there, they are honorable people. They have better things to do. But they have left better things and they have gone out there because of our cause. Some people don't want to be arrested and be made in bars, but because there is a cause, they have stuck their neck out and they have gone to say, is there no cause? Is there no cause? Is there no cause? We have a cause, brothers. We have a cause, sisters. Growing up in Kitale, we knew Ugali. And the Ugali was the food. And we have grown up with Ugali. And we don't understand any other language, especially to us who are Luhyas. We don't understand any other language. Now I see my wife introducing rice in my house. Brother, I'm sleeping hungry. We Luhyas don't eat rice. We eat rice as we wait for the real food. And you don't blame us for that. Don't blame us for that. Now you are telling us, no, you can eat fertilizer. We don't want to eat fertilizer. We want to eat Ugali. We want to eat Ugali. So us are leaving dignity aside and going out there and shouting. We are shouting because now we have realized there is no Ugali on the table. Is there no cause for us to go out there? We have realized we are sleeping hungry. Is there no cause for us to go out there? Is there no cause for us to shout? There is a cause, brothers. And we are here because of that cause. And ladies and gentlemen, stand firm for the cause. You will be vilified, but stand firm for the cause. The cause goes beyond you. Stand for that cause. In the name of the Son of God. Hallelujah. Now I will ask us to stand and pray for the nation of Kenya because of that cause.